Hey guys and gals, it's really early here at the Burr Badger Den. It's before 7 a.m. on Wednesday, the 5th of December. And I just wanted to do a quick update. I am going today. I found a donor machine for the 1978 belt drive Kenmore. So the woo-woos will be back. The story goes, I went to a used appliance store in Pittsburgh where we have obtained several items before in the past, and I actually went there earlier this year looking for other things, and unfortunately just after I left the building burned down and they lost everything inside. Well, now they have reopened. They have pulled themselves back up and reopened, and they're in the process of remodeling and getting things back shipshape. So I went to check it out, and they've already got a big inventory again, and I didn't find anything in the neighborhood of 78 belt drives. But the lady pulled me to the side and she said, "Hey, look, do you know about our little parts center?" And I'm like, "No." Turns out they have a private facility where they receive used appliances, and they go over them, they repair them, get them ready for sale, and the ones that are too far gone they strip parts off of, and they end up scrapping whatever they can't use. And I'm like, where is this place? I really want to see it. So it's not public, but I showed up and I met a really nice guy, and I'm gonna find out if I can give them a shout out. But I explained to the guy that I'm an appliance collector, and he was kind of like, "Really? So you collect washers and dryers?" I said, "Yeah." And he says, "Man, I've heard of people, who want a vintage pair because they last longer, but I don't think I'm familiar with anyone who actually collects appliances." And I said, "Yes." So I provided him with the model and serial number, and he said, "Well, we honestly don't get much in from the 70s and before. Most of our stuff is late 80s and newer, but if one comes up, I'll let you know." So he took my contact info, and he contacted me yesterday, Tuesday the 4th of December, and sent me pictures, and he goes, "Is this what you're looking for?" And yes, it's exactly the machine that we need. The cabinet's beat to hell, but all the internals are perfectly shiny, rust-free, it works fine, and I bought it for $40. So I'm gonna go pick it up this afternoon, and somehow, I don't know, by myself, I'm gonna lug this 250-pound beast into the truck. But I'm gonna get it today, and we're gonna take the basket out and put it in the woo-woo and get that back online. Then we're still gonna have, good parts like the motor and the transmission. We're gonna clean them up, oil them up, check the transmission fluid, get them clean and spotless, and put them away in storage for spares. We're also gonna have, electrical items, the timer, the water level transducer, another control panel. We're gonna have another parts machine. The cabinet, trust me, the cabinet is too far gone. It, and as well as the old broken wash basket, are going to scrap, along with some other scrap that we have, and we're gonna get more than $40 back from that. So this actually worked out perfectly. But yep, we're gonna make a video about this coming up, and if I get permission, I'm gonna reveal the name and contact information for this organization, I would say, store, business, because like I said, it's a private facility. They don't want a bunch of people from the public, wandering around while they're trying to work, which I understand. But I do want to give a shout out, and I'm going to ask permission first. So there's probably not going to be any video of the place when I pick it up, because again, I want to make sure before I put somebody's name and company and phone number out there on YouTube for 5,700 people to see. So just wanted to give you a quick update here. I'm going to get ready and stay tuned because more to come. See ya.